Hello, everyone, and welcome to the session. My name is Bharani, and I'm representing 360DigiTMG here. Before we proceed further, I would like to quickly introduce myself, and then we are going to talk about what is this program all about and how would it actually benefit you. Yeah. So let's get into that. First of all, congratulations. Why am I saying congratulations? Because you all have chosen to upskill yourself in the field of data science and data analytics. And this is a career, this is a profession which is here to stay. As long as the amount of data increases, as long as internet penetration increases, as long as the technology enhances, we would keep on progressing. Okay. So having said that, I would like to quickly introduce myself. This is me. My name is Bharani Kumar. I have 18 plus years of experience. I hold a master's degree from IIT as well as ISB. And I work with companies such as HSBC, ITC Infotech, Infosys, and Deloitte. Post which, we formed our own company called as Innodatatics. Innodatatics is a company which is specialized in the space of advanced analytics. We perform advanced analytics work for different customers. And we do work in the space of data analytics. We work on data science. We work on data engineering aspects. And we work on machine learning operations. We do projects for different customers. Okay, let me show you a few. Let me go to the bookmark. So we do a lot of projects, friends. One is we have done a project for Volvo. And we have clamping stations where the assembling of the truck happens. And if the chassis is incorrectly clamped, then there'll be a lot of rework. So this guy is now closing the clamp. He has gone here. He's closing the clamp. There will be 12 different clamps here. And if incorrect clamping sequence is followed, then it's going to negatively impact. Okay, the brand, the organization, there will be cost of poor quality, etc. In that way, we have done a lot of projects. Another project is for a client where we have used deep learning techniques and people were manually counting the number of steel rods. Okay, they were manually counting the number of 8 mm, 10 mm, 12 mm steel rods. We have automated that. Using our AI tool, the moment you take a mobile and just capture the video, automatically it is going to count the number of 8 mm, 10 mm, and 12 mm rods. In that way, there are a lot of projects that we have done. Another project is for Schnell Group. Schnell Group is a German-based company, right? And they have a machine called as Prima 13. We built a model to predict machine failure. When will a machine fail? And we've actually taken it end to end. We've also deployed it, and this deployment was done on AWS cloud. Okay, it's not just deep learning techniques or machine learning techniques. We have actually taken it to the next level. In that way, there are a number of projects which we keep doing, friends. And unfortunately, or fortunately, I don't know, LinkedIn allows only 30,000 connections. And I've already exhausted 30,000 connections. So after that, you can only follow. And if you want to follow, here is my profile. Feel free, okay, to follow me. If you have any focused questions, you can ask me later. And this would also be posted on our YouTube, chat. You might want to have a look at that. Now, back to our discussion. Once again, welcome to this internship program. This internship program will last for total of 45 days. One more thing. So sorry. And another good thing about us is that whenever we do projects for different customers, we actually include these projects with client consent. Once we get the customer's approval, we include those projects into our training curriculum as part of 360DigiTMG, Digital Transformation Management and Governance. The beauty with us is that we operate only in the space of these four, because we understand that we are here to make a difference to the careers of people. If we don't have the practical knowledge, we will not deliver the training in that space. Since we are working on real world projects, since we have that exposure, we have included those use cases into the training curriculum. Use cases and real world projects. And this is probably one key reason why a lot of people are getting jobs. Let me also show you one more thing at this point of time. Anyways, this session is happening right live. Let me do a refresh of this. Okay. We have a lot of success stories happening, friends. Today, we have a success story with our friend Ayush. At 9:30. He has got a job in Capgemini. We have Raj. I mean, I request you all to watch this. Raj is a person who actually interviews everyone who joins HCL as a data scientist. Right. And we have a lot of success stories. We have people who have joined Alshaya. Alshaya Group is one of the largest organizations in Middle East. Starbucks, H&M, Mothercare. If you want any of these franchises in Europe or Middle East, you have to go through Alshaya. She's currently working in Alshaya in Dubai. We have a person who is working with PowerWaterhouseCoopers and Big Four companies. These are the Big Four companies who pay very hefty salary. Deloitte, Ernst & Young, PwC, KPMG, right? These four companies are called as Big Four companies. I can show you many more. We have our people working with Deloitte. We have our people working with Genpact. UL Hospitals Group is in Ireland. Manju actually is working in Ireland now. Another person in Deloitte, Mercedes-Benz R&D. You just click on this and you would see the success stories of all these people, different people who got placed in different companies, right? Cuman is a Singapore-based company, Capgemini, TCS, HCL. People are working in Deutsche Bank as AVP. Deloitte, Mercedes-Benz, another person, Cognizant. Yeah, the list would go on and on. When you find time, please have a look at that. These are the people who are saying that, yep, we got benefited. We got a job after getting trained through you. So I would recommend you guys to actually, read that. And since you are here on the YouTube, it hardly takes a minute for you all, right? I request you all to please click on subscribe and click on notification. Why am I saying so? The reason being very simple. Let me show you here. We are going to walk you through a process of 2 steps. This entire internship duration will be for 45 days. Okay. Entire duration will be for 45 days. And as part of phase 1, which is learning phase, and that would be for 20 days, right? We are going to post one learning video at 6 a.m. IST on Python programming. We will post another video at 12 p.m. IST on SQL for data analytics and data science. Another video will be posted at 6 p.m. IST Indian Standard Time on data science project management methodology. For people who are connecting from ASEAN market, Philippines, Indonesia, Singapore, etc., it will be aligned to your time zone, not to worry. With a gap of 6 hours, we keep posting these things on a daily basis for 20 days. And you're expected to watch those. And towards the end of every day, we are going to pose the questions. And you need to provide your answers in the comment section of LinkedIn. That is how we are going to track whether you're working on phase one or not, whether you're watching those videos or not. So at this point of time, let me draw your attention here. That's the reason why I was requesting you all to subscribe and click on notification icon. And another thing is, with respect to our company, let me go there. 360DigiTMG. Let me show you where we post the details so that it's clear for you. We keep posting interesting things on what is ChatGPT, how is it working, who are the people who got jobs, how people are embracing technology. Yeah. And then, we have done a project for Rela Hospitals also, which is one of the leading hospitals. And, I was interviewing Dr. Ilan, who happens to be CEO of Rela Hospitals. We built a forecasting model in the space of pharmacy for them. And we keep, writing a lot of details about the latest happenings, such as auto ML, auto EDA, etc. Some amount of fun would obviously be there. A lot of learning would be there related to Chat GPT, generative AI, etc. Details of all the people who got jobs, their interview sessions. And the idea is to take you all here. Yeah. This is how questions will be posted on a daily basis, friends. And you have to go to the comment section and provide your answers. This is mandatory. For this, I request you all to please follow our 360 page, because the moment we post these questions, you'll be notified. Okay, you are busy, still you'll be notified, right? So 360DigiTMG page is what you have to follow. There's no other go for that. Okay. And we have yet another phase. Let me walk you guys to the next phase, which is project phase. And this project phase will be for 25 days. These learnings are mandatory for you to get into this phase. So you have to be active on LinkedIn. You have to answer daily questions so that we may move you to the project phase. As part of project phase, we'll assign you a data analytics expert who will have rich experience working on real world projects, and they'll guide you daily on the projects. Daily, there will be 15 minutes meeting from Monday to Friday, and we'll discuss about what did you do yesterday, what will you do today, and any risks, challenges, etc. But we will discuss more when we reach this phase. And once you complete project phase also, okay, when you complete that, we will be issuing you a project completion certificate. Okay, I'm going to show you how that certificate would look like. This is how it would look like. Right? Internship completion certificate. And once internship certificate is obtained, it is verifiable on social media also. And let me show you. Yeah, I think this one. This is how people post, guys. 1 week back, a friend has posted today also that he is getting the required traction. Probably interviewers will have a look at this. They'll be excited by looking at this, and then you might get a chance, of being interviewed by that company. So this is all that I had to say as part of the discussion. Now let me look at the question. Is this internship helpful? Oh my God, there are a lot of questions. Let me go to one by one. Is this internship helpful for people who have 4 to 5 years gap after graduation? Yes, absolutely. Internship is internship, right? You will learn as well as you will work on the project. So in some sense, you are investing your time in upskilling yourself in the most advanced, profession. And at the same time, you'll also be working on the project. You'll also get some real world experience. Then the next question is this internship helpful for people to get a job who are looking for different background? No, job, no, absolutely. Let me be honest. This internship will help you go to some level, okay? As opposed to being at ground zero or level zero, you would be, getting to some stage where you can start looking at opportunities to upskill further. This alone, will it give a job? Then magic would happen, right? Everyone would do an internship and job done. No, I would not agree to that, but it will give you immense knowledge on how practical data analytics projects are handled. That experience you'll get. Will I get a certificate after completion? Yes, after completion of both the phases, then you'll get you'll get an internship certificate. No, we won't. We won't provide any permanent job, etc. I've shown you the success stories. Those are the people who have got trained through us for 4 months minimum, right? Okay. Are there people who are from? Yes, we have people from BCom, BBA background also who got jobs. The details are there on our website. On YouTube, you can go to that. Yes, you'll get certificate after this completion. How feasible it would be for non-tech background? See, 80% of people who got jobs after getting trained through us are from non-IT background. They're not from technology background. You'll have people from pharmacy background. You'll have people from medical background. You'll have people from BCom, BA also, Bachelor of Arts. Even they got jobs. How the placement guarantee mechanism works. Yeah, for that, you'll have to contact our team, my dear friend. Is this certificate? Yeah, it is verifiable. It's an internship certificate, which any person can come to website and verify that. Innodatatics internship certificates we give only to our students who join us full time. Yeah, by for our paid programs, I should say. Wonderful. Thank you so much. Yeah. Any other questions? Okay, seems like, oops, there are a few more questions. What happens after the internship, sir? Where will be the online meet for project discussion? We'll communicate on the WhatsApp group. You all are there on the WhatsApp community. We'll be communicating there. Okay. And your learning phase will start from tomorrow. Okay. Every day it'll be learning for you all for the next 20 days. After that, we'll communicate in the group itself. I want to work in renewable energy sector as an energy analyst. Please let me know. Is there any solar or EV policy? For free internship, we don't do these things because there are a lot of people, right? There'll be a lot of people who will be joining us. And yeah, this internship is completely free. This internship is free. We do not charge anything before the internship, during or after. We don't charge anything. Yeah. Any other questions, friends? So we do not charge anything. Yeah. And the program is going to start tomorrow. In business analysis, you gather the requirements, you collect the requirements from the customer, and then you elicit it. Elicit means you explain those requirements to the technical team. That's business analysis. Data analysts will take the data and start analyzing the data to draw meaningful insights from the data. No, this internship will not guarantee you a job. Neither are we offering jobs. Jobs are for those people who have thorough understanding, but this internship will take you a long way. It will give you a lot of knowledge. Yeah. All right, friends, then thank you so much and all the best for your future. Thank you all.